Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Now Sano Health as a health practitioner cares for you and for your family, and it is our responsibility to bring you the right information from the reliable sources. Now coming back to the video, you remember in our previous video we talked about the scientific relation between the COVID-19 and the temperature, which said that the COVID-19 can be transmitted in all areas with all sorts of temperature. And today, we will talk about the life cycle of COVID-19 in a human body. In this video, we will talk about the four major things about COVID-19, that is, the passage, the incubation period, the symptoms and how it affects the human body, and in the last, we will talk about how our body fights the COVID-19 and the recovery time. Starting with, I am assuming that by now, we all know the basic steps to protect ourselves. Since the virus is thought to spread mainly from person to person between people who are in close contact with one another within about 6 feet, and through respiratory droplets produced when an infected person coughs or sneezes. Now we can avoid this by taking protective measures such as covering our faces while coughing or sneezing, washing our hands more often, and practicing social distancing. Then comes the incubation period. This means the time between catching the virus and beginning to have the symptoms of COVID-19, which ranges from 1 to 14 days, most commonly around 5 days. After the incubation period, the likely symptoms that a human body show is fever, dry cough, shortness of breath. Sometimes other symptoms will occur alongside a fever, including runny nose, head and body ache, difficulty in sleeping, sore throat, sweats, and chill. And if you start to see any of these symptoms in your body, then you need to consult a doctor as soon as possible, because it majorly affects the different parts of the respiratory system, such as the lungs, and infect the lining of the throat and the airways. Now we will talk about how our body fights the COVID-19. Antiviral drugs are the common method of treating viruses. These drugs kills or prevent the spread of viruses through cells in the body. Now there are currently no antiviral drugs for treating coronavirus. So treating is not always necessary if symptoms are mild. If a person has no risk factor that affects the respiratory or immune system, their body may successfully fight the infection without medication or intervention. And the median time from onset to clinical recovery for mild cases are approximately 2 weeks. But for patients with severe or critical diseases, it takes 3 to 6 weeks. Since many people have recovered from COVID-19, meaning it was already known that the immune system can successfully fight the virus. But when we talk about the outbreak of the pandemic, we are talking about the safety of 7+ billion people around the world. We are fighting this together, of course, and surely we will overcome this. But looking at the medical system and not enough resources with limited data, we are clearly not prepared for another pandemic. On this note, I end this video here and hope you guys got your answer and somehow got the clear picture of the current ongoing scenario. Until next time, please be safe and be indoors and take protective measures, and most importantly, save water. Also guys, if you like this video, please share it and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Bye guys.